Hi, have 5 minutes? We're doing another paper issues unboxing. Hello everyone, welcome. Hope you're doing extremely well today. I have another unboxing to share with you. Today I'm doing Vicki Boutin color study, which I can tell you from this rainbow lover to you, it's amazing. Let's get started. First we have this sticker sheet here. This collection is full of bright colors. It is absolutely phenomenal. These stickers are just right up my alley. All of the colors are very bold and very beautiful and complimentary. It's very reminiscent of Lisa Frank to me. I got a couple of thickers here. One is called Modern Art and the other is called Stories. This one has more of like a pop art look to it, and it's very dimensional. I really like it. And then these are just like regular 3-dimensional thickers. I did get the sticker book just because I also document weekly apart from doing 12x12s, so I thought this would be helpful for some of these mini layouts. And as you can see here, everything that is included, it's just very reminiscent of doodling in a notebook as well. Lots of bright colors and just very bright tones. Lots of phrases with pops of that black contrast. Then we have this embellishment pack that I got as well, and as you can see on the back there are a couple of pocket cards, a few phrases in that black, a few other embellishments here and there, of course the token butterfly. I did need to re-up on some foundation paper, so I did also get her newest batch of foundation paper, which I will just briefly show you here. Oh, I need to cut it open first. Erica, you should have cut it before you showed us. Sorry about that. So, as you can see here, this paper is absolutely stunning. I'm not going to want to touch that. I'm probably just going to frame it on my wall. Ooh, that one's pretty. Vicki Boutin is my spirit animal. We just have a lot of different textures and colors, and love watching her on Facebook Live and creating these all different backgrounds here. This one's absolutely stunning as well. Wow, I can't wait to dig into these. Okay, then it starts repeating from there. And lastly, I just had a feeling I was going to love this collection, so I actually bought 2 paper packs. And you can see on the back all the papers that are included. Hello, sorry, it's Friday here. I love the bright colors here. And overall, just phenomenal collection. Thank you so much for watching. Next unboxing will probably be Amy Tangerine's Brave and Bold. So stay tuned. Have a beautiful day. Bye.